Alright everyone, we are here at Vegas Suds Car Wash, and we are going to see how their car wash does. Seems like they use NCS chemicals. Back there's the automatic.
Do I go this way?
Yes.
Okay. Oh wait, nope. Nope, this is that way.
Oh, okay. Lustre foam with carnauba wax.
Nice.
So, I'm gonna pause until...
Well, we're almost there.
Yeah.
I'm thinking we're here.
Yep, so this is a Laserwash 360.
Nice.
Oh, they replaced it. It's a Laserwash 360 Plus now.
Oh.
Anyway, I am going to pause until we are ready to walk through it. See you guys in just a second. Alright, so let's walk through it. Some more Lustra advertising. Here's your wash options. Pause if you'd like to read. Here's the pay station.
Please add payment to your selection.
There's a sign. Here's your instructions. Let's see. I'm looking for an undercarriage wash, but I don't think this wash has it, which is pretty interesting. Here's the system. Oh, this is a Laserwash 360. It's just like the very last revision. Interesting. There's your sign right there. There's your other sign. I'm having a hard time, actually. I'm pretty sure this used to be a Laserwash 4000. Is that? Now here's your McNeil dryers. Someone mangled that end. And then there's your sign right there. So now let's go through it.
Forward. 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 Forward.
Interesting, the rest of it is yellowed, but the Laserwash decal is still okay. interesting that it does like empty passes when applying surface protection in a rear motion. Okay, so now what is this? Some more surface protectors? Oh wow. That's always good. No wonder the pressure is so bad. You know what I find interesting about these type of dryers? The ones with these motors have the higher pitch, or at least sound like Vautech dryers. And the motor has a different structure, but these ones are the ones that sound like sirens. Just a little bit of an interesting observation. Okay, so what did you think of that wash?
For what it was, it did its job. I didn't think it did a great job with the coverage of the foam, but the car's clean and
Somewhat.
I'd say 6 out of 10 probably.
I would say 4 out of 10 because there was a huge leak during one of the passes.
Oh, well, there you go.
So yeah, that is the Vegas Suds car wash. Certainly not up to the standards I would think of a car wash with Vegas in the name.
Well, to be honest though, it seems to be catering to people who want a hand wash. So,
That's fair.
yeah.
So yeah, that is Vegas Suds car wash. I would not recommend coming here if you're going to use the automatic option. For all I know, maybe the self-serve bays are fine, but
Yeah.
automatic is probably not your best option. So yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.